trades. I also do these lives to help you guys out. And we all, trade together, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with helping each other. Y'all know what I mean. But market is just about to open here in a couple seconds. All right. That boy Eric in here early. What it do? Good morning. How y'all doing in the chat? Where y'all from this morning? Shit. Let me see where everybody be from this morning. Where y'all from in the chat? Y'all know I'm over here in Georgia. Down here in the South. Good morning to you guys. So we did have a great trendy day yesterday. We closed right above where we opened up right above where we closed. We're right where we closed, that 567 level, right around that area on SPY. That's what we closed on yesterday. So we want to see how SPY acts today. SPY is showing some bearish signs, but we're going to see if the market wants to go that way. So we're going to watch our plays. Let's see what happened. Like if you see right here on the daily or the 4 hour, but you can see it on the daily right here. We got a bearish flag. See how we came down? Got the flag pulled right here. And then we got the flag pulling back right here. So let's see what happens today. Let me pull up my other chart. Good morning to everybody in the chat. All right, so we came back under that 567 level. Tap machine in here. What it do? What it do? Get some in. Tap machine and Derek the Barbaric. Ain't never heard that. But all right, though. All right, we got SPY moving toward the downside here. Take them levels off. QQQ downside. I got some old levels I need to delete. Every time I pull up 3 charts, it started bringing up my old level. I still ain't figured that shit out. How to fix that shit on TradingView. All right, so we move toward the downside here a little bit. We got AMD, Amazon. Also, SPY does have the 200 moving average sitting right under. Oh, actually, it's at the top. Okay. QQQ pulling back a little bit for us. Mason, good morning. What it do? What it do in the chat? What it do? Good morning. We had a pretty bearish day yesterday. You know, Trump got the tariff news coming out and all that, so we want to watch that Trump news and that stuff like that. So we're not really opening up with a lot of volume like yesterday. I'm pretty sure they're gonna try to play with us today. But I do like this QQQ, man. QQQ has broken my level. QQQ broken pre-market low. But it's not gonna give us a pullback. I want a pullback. I'm gonna load up QQQ puts. QQQ 480 puts. If we pass this candle right here, I'll take this entry right here just because we passed the pre-market low. I'm gonna go light just because it's the first trade. First trade, I'm gonna go light. Only using one contract, to be honest. Only using one contract. I'm gonna go light. We're gonna see how this go. Black tie. Let's get it. Hell yeah. If we pass this candle that just pulled back right here, I'll take this entry. All right, guys. I just got filled on QQQ puts. Stop loss is the pre-market low right here. Pre-market low that just got retested. That's the stop loss. I'm up 5% already. Only in one contract, so we'll get us a quick scalp or something. See what's Meta's Microsoft is moving towards the downside. There we go, QQQ. We up 8% right now. We up 8% on QQQ puts. My stop loss is right here. This pre-market low right here. Got Microsoft selling off here early. Still sitting. I'm up 8% right now. QQQ puts. Stop loss is up here. If we come back down, I'll move my stop to this candle to the middle of this candle that just closed. Still holding, guys. Still holding. I'm up 9% right now. If you like your green, you take your green, guys. But I'm still holding. SPY does have this 564 level 2 get through. We up 10% right now. Still watching. I let it pull back. Still sitting. I'm up 8%. Don't say I didn't tell y'all to take some of your money out, man. If you in heavy, take some of your money out. I'm only in one contract, first trade. This is just how sometimes I come to the market. Come to the market with a what call, brother? Oh, I'm in QQQ puts. I don't know if you missed it. We up 4% right now. QQQ 480 puts. Look at Microsoft. I'm still up 8%, guys. We could reverse any kind of news. Y'all know how the tariff news goes. We could reverse. So take your profits. I'm up 9% right now. Damn, look at Microsoft. Oh man. Holy smokes. We up 11% right now. Look at Microsoft. Still up 9%. Right here, this 564 is a bounce level on SPY. So we want to get under this 564 right here. I'm still holding. Stop loss still the same. I'll let the chart play out. I'm only on one contract, so we can hold it a little bit. Just the first trade, just to see how the market what the market want to do today. Look like we're pretty bearish at the moment. It's 9:41 on the clock. I'm still up. We back up 12%. There we go, guys. Come on, get on down there if you're gonna go. One team. Still holding, guys. Still holding. I'm still in QQQ puts. I'm up 9% right now. I will bring my stop to this 9 EMA right here. This 9 EMA. That's where my stop loss is. This 9 EMA is my new stop loss. We'll let it pull back. So right here, right at the 481.16 level, that's my new stop. I'm also watching this in the video right here. 10 o'clock reversal. SPY gonna bounce hard, gap fill. All right. We pretty weak right now though, so I'm gonna scalp this though. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of QQQ, and I'll scalp the shit out of this. I'm still up 6% right now. Microsoft pull back. It's 564 level. This is a bounce level, so watching closely. Still only in one contract. I'm down 3%. This 9 EMA right here is my stop. But we was up about 13, 12%. I didn't take profits. Let's see if we can get this 9 EMA bounce though. Could be reversing. I'm down 8% right now. Should have took my 12, huh? Should have had that scalp. It's all good though. SPY sitting at a strong bounce level right now. But let's see if we can get through it. 9:44 on the clock. Hopefully we get rejected here. It's sitting at my stop right now though, down 15%. This is my stop right here. I want to see us reject right here. If not, I will exit. Finger on the trigger. Still holding. Let's see if we reject. I want to see us reject right here. Damn, that pop at the bottom right here. We should have got out right there. That pop right here. That's what we should have got out. All right, guys. I'm out of QQQ. I'm out of QQQ. Hit my stop. I only lost on that one contract. I lost $50. It's all good. But we came down to about 13-12%. I kind of held a little too long for the trade. I should have just took my money, but it's all good. Let's see what happens though. Trade work just ain't take profits. It always get me like that. On a very real trendy day, I'll sit there and hold. I'll hold longer. But on a real trendy day, I get out too early. You know what I mean? But we got up to 13%. 15-minute. Yeah, we'll get it back. Damn, man, this shit fucking chart still setting up though. Three seconds on this candle. Kind of want to load QQQ puts back again. I kind of want to load them again. 480. Let's see what happens. Damn, I want to load them again. Fuck it. I'm going to go ahead and load QQQ puts. I just took one contract, QQQ puts, 480 puts. It's just a break and retest, guys. It's breaking and retesting. I'm going to trust the technical. You don't have to take this, guys. Probably could be a revenge trading a little, but I'm only in one contract. Just the setup is there. ORB level sitting right here, and we showing bearish pressure under the pre-market low. But you don't got to take that with me. I'm just testing my technicals right now. It's going to VWAP. Talking about QQQ. Yeah, probably. But no other really stock is really strong right now. Going towards the upside. Fuck. Yeah, I'm out of that one. This shit right here, man. I guess we formed the bottom. We formed the bottom. $30 that quick. $70 that quick. All right. I'ma chill. Let's see. I'ma chill. Gonna chill and wait. So we're going towards I like this Amazon over this 200 level, but it's not really coming off of the 200. I like this Amazon above 200. That's what I'm watching on for calls. Yeah, we just went down, formed the bottom. Still getting wigged though. Sitting around a couple levels. I might goddamn chop around for a second. But I'm watching that Amazon above 200. Meta also. It's like, God damn, boy. Fuck. Yesterday was the damn day, boy. Yesterday was the day. Still watching this Amazon right here. SPY got this 567 right here. So most everything rejected the lows. Now we're moving toward the top of ORB. I like Meta towards the upside. I should have scalped QQQ. That's what I should have did. I should have just scalped that shit real quick. Took my little 12, 13% on that first one. Chill and waited on another one. See how Amazon act right here. $9:53 on the clock. Oh, I'm gonna load up Amazon calls, guys. Amazon calls. Shit. I just was about to get in. Amazon calls. Amazon 202.5 calls. I'm gonna load them up. Just keep them loaded. AMD, Meta, All right, guys, I'm gonna take my first entry on Amazon. Stop loss. This candle that just closed. Amazon calls 202.5 calls. Let's see what happens here. Stop loss. This 200 moving average right here. Yeah, so stop loss right at this 9 EMA, so right around 268. I'm up 3% right now. Got 5 minutes till we move to the 5-minute chart. Damn, Netflix. Oh. Netflix must have made that move that just happened. I'm still in Amazon calls, guys. I'm up 4% right now. Tesla getting busy also. So we need to get above. All right. I'm up 8% on Amazon, guys. 8% on Amazon. If you're in heavy, I would trim a little bit. There we go. Back up 9%. Where the Bulls at? We need the Bulls to come in today, baby. There we go. There we go. 10%, guys, on Amazon calls. 10% right now. There we go. Hell yeah. 15%, guys. 15%. Take a trim. I'm telling you, take a trim. We're up 15% right now. What time is it? 9:58. Still holding. Spies trying to get above that 200 moving average right there. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart right now. Moving to the 5-minute chart. I'm still up 11% on Amazon. There we go. 16% on Amazon. 17%. We got the bounce right off the 200 moving average right here. It's the bounce we getting. There we go. 16%. Back up 16%. We'll let it ride. Stop loss this 200 moving average if we come back down. I'm still in Amazon calls. 20%. There we go. 23%. Yeah, we lost on QQQ. We got us a little trade back. Let's go. Take your green if you're heavy, guys. Take your green. I'm up 25% right now. All right, guys. I'm gonna take my 21. I'm gonna take my 21% right there. Ah, shit. Damn, we are back up at 27. Hold up. I haven't got out yet. Hold up, guys. I'll let this chart play out. We up there though. We at 20. We at 30% right now. I don't like SPY right here at this 200 moving average. It could reverse right here. But we at 31%. Trying to take my green and get out. Still holding. I'm sitting at 27%. I'm still holding. I let it play out. I should have took my 31% right there, but that shit was just, it was moving weird because the candle was moving, but the fucking contracts wasn't moving. I was trying to find the right time to get out, but as soon as it said 31%, it went right back down. You got to be quick with it sometimes, man. Microsoft taking off. Yeah, I'm on Webull. It's one button in, one button out. Still sitting at 27% though. All right, there we go. We back up to 30. $31. All right, I'm gonna take my 32% right there, man. I take my 32% right there. I'm gonna find another entry though. Another entry. I took my 32% on Amazon calls. So yeah, we got stopped out on QQQ down here with a small loss. We got decent. I was only using one contract, so I got half of that back on that one contract. I'm only using one contract. I told y'all guys, if I have like one or two red days in a row, like I did last week, a couple days ago, I go back to one contract, get my mojo back. You know what I'm saying, and then go back to full goddamn full play. I usually put about $1,000 in each play. So you see why I got out? SPY's touching that 200 moving average right there. 200 moving average is like Debo, guys. You don't want to fuck with the 200 moving average. You see the 200 moving average coming, get out. Yeah, it wasn't coming on this trade, but you got to use SPY as confluent. If SPY getting rejected, you know Amazon about to get rejected. You got to use it as confluence. Yeah. The QQQ guy faked us out, but we got some back on Amazon. But now we getting rejected. So let's see if SPY gonna get above this 200 moving average right here. Netflix. I'm fucking with you, my boy. Oh, that was the 2 minute. I'm looking at the 2 minute chart. I see a pullback. But we getting rejected. Let's see how SPY acts. See if SPY can get above right there. Meta got some nice candles, big green candles. Apple looking so trash right now. Let's see, Nvidia sitting right at that 200 moving average, guys. Told y'all that 200 moving average, you don't play with that. See that 200 moving average coming? Take your profits or take some money out at least. Take some money out, hold, and then just see if you can get above it. But that 200 moving average, you just don't play with it like that. You got to take your profits. Tesla, nice uptrend. Nice ass uptrend, damn. Check the RSI. Damn, that's what got me right there. That's what I should have been watching. I just see why I just found out why I lost on QQQ. Look what I traded into. I didn't see this shit. I should have pulled it up. You see how QQQ went down right here? If you pull your RSI up right here, we were very oversold. I just jumped in. That's me. Hey. When you're doing this for a minute, hey, sometimes you forget. I should have checked that RSI though. Now we rejecting. We're rejecting right now. I'm gonna check Apple because Apple had a weak ass stock. So if we reject, you know Apple gonna go. Yeah, keep on rejecting. You see all these wicks on Apple? It's very weak signs of that stock. So we keep rejecting down here past this pre-market low. You can see what's up with that. Yeah, I should have held off. I don't know why the fuck my spot chart just. What is this, Meta? Yeah, we coming back. Now we could be retesting right here on Amazon. We could be retesting this pre-market high right here. Same with over here on spot. We could just be breaking and retesting that weekly level of 567 right there. But if we come back down through the weekly level, trend probably gonna reverse again. You want to see it bounce right here. If we still want to stay in the uptrend, you want to see spot bounce right here. AMD. Did anybody catch that Amazon trade with me? Probably didn't. All right, you see spot bouncing. Spot bouncing right here. You see that? Let's see what this candle does right here. Amazon does have a little break and retest setting up if SPY can keep the damn trend, but SPY is still pulling back right now. See how far it pulls back. We wanted to stay above ORB right here. If it's going to pull back, we want it to stay above ORB right here. Tesla pulling back. All right, we bouncing. See if we hold this right here. We are on a 5-minute chart. 3 minutes left on this candle. That's a great exit on Amazon too. Got up to like 31% right here. We got in right around 200 moving average. We got up to about 31% up here toward the top, and then we rejected. I got out because I seen SPY sitting right above that 200 moving average. You don't play with that 200 moving average. That's the only reason I got out. I like this Amazon again if we pass this pullback candle though. But I want to see SPY get above 200 moving average. But Amazon is goddamn look like it's loading back up. And if you don't know, sometimes if you don't know what a pullback is, sometimes you can bring the line chart up, guys. Look what I just did. I just brought the line chart up. Look at that pullback. That's clearly showing you it's a pullback. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go back to the candles. Yeah, that line chart will show you way better. I'm gonna load up Amazon calls again. Same contracts, 202.5. If we pass this pullback counter right here, I will take an entry. But we got to get up there though, so only if we pass the pullback candle. SPY has the same setup, but it's just trading into that 200 moving average, which I ain't trying to do right now. So if Amazon passes this pullback counter right here, I will take this entry. See if SPY gets above it. Yeah, I see that's exactly what I see. I said we want to see a bounce right here. We got the bounce. Now we sitting finna see if we can catch this Amazon trade break and retest. If we pass this counter right here, I will take this entry. We got to get above it though with some momentum. You see this pullback candle, the volume is way lower than these green candles at the bottom. You see that? That's how you know the bulls are still in control. Three seconds on this candle. Now I'm going to use that candle that just closed as a pullback. Candle that just closed is my pullback candle now, because we never passed the previous candle. Still watching. I want to see it break. I want to see it break past the candle with some momentum. So I'll let you know when I take the entry. See, we pulling back. I'll let it keep pulling back. You see what I'm saying? I'll let it keep pulling back. It never gave us the entry. You want to see it pass with some momentum and some volume behind it. But we're still trending up. If you look, we still got a slight trend going up right here. You see that? And we bouncing back again. So we are a little towards the top of the RSI, but we forming the bottom. We forming right up under the 200 moving average. So we should get the strength to get up above it. So I'm still watching Amazon calls. If we get up above this pullback right here, I will take an entry. I'll let you know when I get in though. SPY still pulling back though. We'll let it pull back. Still watching. All right. See if we can get above with some momentum, and then I'll take the entry. You also want to see QQQ go too. You want to see them all go together at the same time. If you can, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it don't happen that way. Haven't entered yet. You still getting knocked back down. That's because SPY is right by this 200 moving average. Might hold off on that trade. But Netflix is breaking out. I knew Netflix was going to go. All right, guys, I just took my entry on Amazon calls. There we go. We up 4% right now. There we go. Sitting up 5% right now. Hopefully, SPY can stay above this 200 moving average. SPY stays above, we good. What the hell was that? Somebody gonna get shot up in here. Still pulling back. Damn. We need SPY to hold right here. We don't need it to reject. My stop loss is this 9 EMA. It's 201.53. That's my stop loss. I'm sitting down 3% right now. Let's see if SPY can hold this 200 moving average. See what QQQ doing. This shit pulling back. Oh man. Hopefully it holds. Let's see. Stop loss is this 9 EMA. I'm down 7% right now. Only in one contract. We break that trend line. It's probably gonna break the structure. Still holding. I'm down 9% right now. Yeah, tricky day for the market, man. We ain't got no really trendy stocks like we had yesterday. Tricky day, but we got a little uptrend. Came down first, went up. Fucking Amazon is breaking the damn trend line. And all this bottom is right here on SPY. If you're wondering what that white trend line is, that's just on the bigger picture. A bear flag forming on SPY right here. Got the flag pole, and you got the flag going up right there. Fuck, man. Yeah, that's the bottom of the flag pole right there. The flag right there. So if we break below this trend line right here, SPY is gonna be real bearish if it even gets down there. Probably won't even get down there today. Amazon playing around. We down 14%. So we got stopped out on QQQ right here. We hit Amazon one time for 31%. We back in Amazon. We down 12% right now. And we pulling back. Yesterday, we hit 3 straight green trades. We hit Amazon, QQQ, and we hit, what was that? NVIDIA. And NVIDIA was the first trade. Great ass day yesterday. But y'all know some days we have some days where you don't. SPY don't want to move. QQQ don't want to move. Your stop loss getting hit. You just have some days like that. That's why you just got to size appropriately, guys. Size appropriately. I'm down 17%. It's touching my stop right now. Only in one contract, guys. I'm only in one contract, so I'm down 15% right now. I'm down $24 right now. I'm only sitting in one contract. Stop loss is this 9 EMA. So where we just bounced from right here, if we can't hold that, if we break back under, I will exit. But hopefully SPY can get back up here towards this 200 moving average, and we'll see Amazon go. Hopefully can get up there though. QQQ just in a bind right now. Sitting in between 200 moving average, ORB. Yeah. So if this shit start moving towards the downside, this trade might be over with. Let's see. What indicators you have, bro? I'll go through them here in a second. Eric say KHC. Yeah, Amazon probably about the KFC chicken. Oh, KHC. I'm like, what? KFC chicken? KHC. Kraft. All right. Eric, where you be finding these tickers at? I don't be trading no stocks. I only trade a couple stocks. All right, y'all see we back in the green, guys. We back in the green. So SPY held. Let's see if we can get above the 200 moving average. That's all we waiting on. We need to get above that 200, man. And SPY has no more resistance for a minute, except that pre-market high right there. I'm sitting at break even right now on Amazon. So if you're in, you can get out if you're afraid. What's good, bro? When you're done with trades today, can you explain again how to look for pullbacks? Thanks, brother. Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I'm gonna show you a great example from yesterday. The 3 trades we took yesterday. I'm gonna just go over the 3 trades. I'm gonna just tell you. I'm gonna show you guys why we took the trade. I'm gonna just go over it real quick for you. So if you see the same setup, that's what it is, guys. You're just gonna start seeing the same kind of setup every day. Well, not every day, but majority of the days, you're just gonna start seeing the same. You're gonna be like, trust me, if you hit real hard or you hit pause, if you hit real big on a stock, you're gonna remember that setup. Trust me, you're gonna remember that setup. I'm telling you, you're gonna remember that setup. That's why some of the setups I take, it's no hesitation when I get into the play, because I already made money off a setup just like this. You know what I'm saying? So once you start seeing it, getting reps at looking at this trading view charts every day, and I'm up 5% right now on Amazon. Once you just start getting reps looking at this shit, you're gonna be like, oh, okay, that's the same setup from last week. That's the same setup from that trade. You're just gonna start seeing the same kind of setups. It's only so much different ways of structure they can goddamn put the counters on the screen for us. You know what I'm saying? They make it hard, but if you sit here and stare at this shit for 6 months straight, you telling me you won't figure out same patterns? That's all it is, man. That's all it is. I'm up 2% on Amazon. I want to see this shit take off. We need SPY to get above this 200 right here. This is what's holding Amazon right now. I'm up 2% though. But that first question, Chris, you said what indicators do I have up? Craft, okay. All right, so the indicators I have up, I have the 200. I have 8 indicators up, but I don't use all of them. I only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I only use the 200, the 9 EMA, 200 simple moving average, the 9 exponential moving average. That's the EMA. I got my VWAP, which is the volume weighted price. And I got my volume, which is these candles at the bottom. And I got my ORB, which is these 2 pink lines right here. It's called the open range breakout. And I'm actually using the open range breakout right now in this trade. I'm using it. You see that pink line right here? I'm using that open range breakout to y'all see Amazon, right? Y'all should be up. I'm up 12% right now on Amazon. I'm up 12% on Amazon. But yeah, I'll explain each one of these real quick. So the indicator, the simple moving average 200 moving indicator is this right here. I actually have a video explaining all these also. I'll put the link in the comments here in a second, but I'll explain them to you real quick. Let me manage this Amazon trade because we up 15%, guys. We up 15% right now. I told you, stocks take the staircase up, guys. So when you get in puts and it's moving fast, yeah, it's moving fast because is everything is dropping off. Everybody's selling off. And now when it come to buying these stocks and the bull's gonna take the staircase up. So you just gotta hold and wait. Hold, wait, be patient. I'm up 18% right now. Probably about to take this damn scalp because pre-market high is right here. I'm gonna take my 17% right there, guys. 17% right there. Amazon calls. Name of the game, man. I get it. Get in, get your money, get out. Get in, get your money, get out. Now, when I go back to using my normal size, shit, what I just hit 20% right there. Me using the 1K size, I make $200-300 from just that one play. And that's just from me waking up, coming to press a button on my damn computer. You know what I'm saying? That's all I do every day. All same shit every day. You know what I mean? All right. So you said the indicators. I'm out of Amazon, guys. We got 20% out of that. So we got stopped out on QQQ one time. No, actually, I got stopped out twice. I went back in. I was only using one contract. I got stopped out right here, though. We got up to 13% on QQQ puts earlier. We was on a 2-minute chart. QQQ puts right here. We got up to 13% right here, but we got faked out reverse. So we lost on that one right there. But right after we lost, as soon as I figured out the trend, we got an Amazon. Amazon came down, did the same thing QQQ did. I seen it trending up a little bit. It got above ORB right here. So I took it right at the breakout of ORB right there. And the only reason I took that is because we formed the bottom right at the top of ORB. So if we forming at right under ORB, I'll take that breakout. I'm cool with taking a breakout if we form a consolidation right under ORB. I'm cool with that. All right, let me get all these charts off of here real quick. I'm gonna explain these indicators to y'all real quick. What platform y'all using? You say you got 18% on that same trade. Hell yeah, good shit. I'm glad I can make y'all some money today. All right. So yeah, that's the 200 moving average. That's right here. Here's my settings for the 200 moving average. Inputs, style. I like mine gold just so I can see it on the chart. 200 moving average basically it's just the last 200 averages of the last 200 candles. So if we tap that 200 moving average, we gonna get a reaction off of that 200 moving average. That's it right there. So think about it. I can go to the daily. See how we kept getting wicked right here off of this 200 moving average. You can go to the 1 hour chart. 200 moving average. Look what it did earlier today. It held that bottom. 200 moving average. So you can use it as support and resistance. But see right here on the 200 moving average, it just got above it. See what I'm saying? So anytime you're going up to the 200 moving average or going down, you're going to get a reaction off of it. Meaning you're going to pull back. We will start pulling back. So we coming up to the 200 moving average. Just you're just gonna have a couple pullbacks. You're gonna keep pulling back a little bit before you can really gain the momentum to get above that 200 moving average. That's the reason why I waited on that Amazon trade. That's the reason I waited. Amazon was already above the 200 moving average. You see what I'm saying? So it was already above. So I'm cool with sitting in that. I can sit in that. I'll wait on that shit. I'll get above 200 moving average and I'll sit there and wait until we break out, get some money off the trade. All right, so that's the 200 moving average. Like I said, I do got a video going over all of these. It's called my indicators or something like that, ORB indicator, something like that. My trading view indicators. A video I made a couple months ago. I'll post it though. SPY for the win. Calls all the way. 570 resistance. Hell yeah. Lil Ty, whoever that is. I ain't seeing you in the comment, but hey, yeah, SPY for the win. Yeah, SPY do got them calls going, boy. But all right, usually 3 red candles. That's a real red boot. I gotta even say. All right. All right, a couple more indicators I go through. EMA 9 is just an expeditional moving average. That moving average is this right here, this line right here, this 9, you see this green line? That's basically all it does for me is just a guideline. That's all it is. It's a guideline for me. So if we in an uptrend like we in right now in SPY, I will use this 9 EMA as a guideline or a pullback. So I think we was trending up right here. It was about 15 minutes ago. I said, all right, we want this candle right here to bounce off this 9 EMA. If we bounce off this 9 EMA, we should keep uptrending. Y'all remember when I said that? That's what I use the 9 EMA for. The 9 EMA basically I use it as a guideline. So I know if we come back under the 9 EMA, we're probably about to pull back, or it's probably about to be a reversal. So if we stand above that 9 EMA, I'm cool. I'm sitting in my, you know what I'm saying? I'm sitting chilling. That's what the 9 EMA does. I just use it as a guideline. The VWAP is the volume weighted price. So the VWAP is this white line right here. The VWAP is for sure indication for me. This is just me. For sure indication that we are in a uptrend or a downtrend. So if we're trading above the VWAP, we're in an uptrend. We're trading below the VWAP, you definitely know we're in a downtrend. You get what I'm saying? That's all the VWAP shows me. That white dotted line right there. Here's my settings for the VWAP. Hey, I'm trying to help y'all out because, hey, something like this, you're not going to get this shit unless you pay a couple bands, get it out of Discord. You're not really going to get this free on YouTube. I'm going to let you know that right now. And nobody is never going to tell you because they don't want you to make no money. Think about it. People make money to shit on other people. I don't give a damn. I give y'all everything. I give y'all all these indicators. And yes, I did pay for mentorship to get all this stuff, to learn all this stuff. But hey, it is what it is. Volume right here. So you want your volume at the 20 length. Here's my settings for volume. Just copy mine. All right, volume. All volume does, I showed you this earlier. Remember I told you when we was trying to get in Amazon? I said I want to see Amazon get past this pullback candle with a lot of volume. Remember I said that? So right here, when we just got in Amazon, I think it was this candle right here. I said, no, it was actually this candle right here. We got in on this 10-15 candle on the 5-minute chart. So I said I want to see Amazon pass with a lot of volume. And it did. That's what it just did. Passed with a lot of volume. That's when I got in. It pulled back in one more time, and then it took off, gave us, what was that, 15, 20%, something like that. That's what I use the volume for. So if you see the market open and you're trying to get in the trade, I'm going to answer your question here in a sec. My bad. What do you mark off every day? What highs and lows? I'll let you know that mindful matters. Yeah, so if you're trying to get in trade, you want to watch that volume at the bottom. That volume right there at the bottom is going to tell you how much momentum is going into that trade. You want to have a lot of momentum when you're entering a trade. You don't want to get into a trade and then you start fucking going back down. That means you got in with no volume, not a lot of momentum, no price action. So you're probably gonna sit there and struggle on that trade. I want to get in the first 5-10 minutes. My move should be happening. You know what I'm saying? Because my plays, I'm playing A+ setup. So I've played these plays before. I know how they play out. So you just gotta watch that volume. You know what I'm saying? All right, and the last indicator I have is the ORB right here. The ORB. To be honest, some people say the ORB is the only thing you need on your chart. You don't even need these other indicators, but I just use these other indicators along with my pullback strategy to enter my trades. So on this ORB right here, I have my pink levels. I only have my shit pink just because I like bright colors, and pink is what I'll be able to see on the chart. So I put my shit pink. So ain't no way you're gonna miss these pink candles. If I'm scanning through my chart, I see these 2 pink candles. I'm like, all right, ORB is nothing but the open range breakout. You can use a 5-minute, you can use a 10-minute, you can use a 15-minute. It matters, but I like to use the 15-minute. And my boy Eric, he like to use the 5-minute. Hey, no problem, no problem. My boy Eric, he like to do he like to use the 5 minute. You can still hit on the 5 minute ORB, but the 15-minute ORB is nothing less but a top and a bottom of a 15-minute candle. So you see how we opened up right here. Let me rewind this. Ooh, come on. All right. Also, if you're trying to go with some trades and you want to like practice some, TradingView has a rewind feature. See that button right here? You can replay the candles. So you hit that button right there. Say I wanted to start today. The day just started, but I this is what I just did. This is the first candle that just opened up today. And then you can put buy, how many you want to buy. Say if I wanted to buy right here, you could buy, and then you can play out the trade, see how much you make. You know what I'm saying? But this is what I want to show you guys. This top and bottom of a 15-minute candle. This is the first 15-minute candle that opened. Now you see if you was on like the 5-minute chart, you're gonna have 3 candles. 2-minute chart, you're gonna have 2, 4, about 5, 6 candles. But we still using the top and the bottom of the ORB. You see what I'm saying? So the open range breakout is nothing but the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. Now, when we take trades, like I just took a trade off of the ORB, I waited for the ORB to break, which is right here. So right here, I waited on the ORB to break. So that first 15-minute range of the day is gonna tell you. Can you please show your execution screen? You saying my broker? You want to see my broker? Nah, you can't see that, man. I can't show you that, man. I got kids. If you know, you know. But anyway, but I will show y'all the game. But anyway, so this is the top of the bottom of a 15-minute candle. So as soon as we got to the top, you want to wait for a retest. You see how we retested right here? Came back down, retested. That's what I had seen. And then that's when I started, got interested in Amazon. You want to see a break and retest. So you want to break the level and come back and retest, and then you can get in right off of the retest for calls. So it's nothing but a pullback. And if you don't know what a pullback is, pull up your line chart. Every time we go up, pull back. Go up, pull back. Go up, pull back. That's a simple way to show to find a pullback. All right, any more questions? Nephew, what do you mark off every day? Mindful Matters, what it do? How you doing? Nephew, what it do? Mark off every day, which highs and lows. All right, so I'm gonna stay right here on Amazon. So right here, every morning, this is what I do. I expand the chart. This is what I do. First thing I wake up. First thing I wake up and first thing I do is go to SPY. I want to see what SPY doing. That's the first thing I do. But I'll use Amazon. You want to do this to every ticker though. You want to do this to every ticker when you wake up. God damn, what just took off? Oh, Tesla. Oh shit. Oh man. We missed that. Damn, I didn't see that. 10:25. What time is it? 10:43. Shit. Damn. All right. I was just scanning through the charts. I seen that. I'm like, oh. All right, so you can do this on any time frame. It don't matter. It's still gonna show up on every time frame. So so if you don't know, this is aftermarket right here. This blue area right here, from right here to right here, this is yesterday. The dark blue is aftermarket, and the yellow is pre-market, which was this morning. So every morning you want to get up and you want to mark your levels. You want to mark 4 levels. I repeat, 4 levels. I've repeated this so many times, guys. I want y'all to write this down this time. Please write it down. I'm probably going to just put this shit in my description. 4 main levels you want to watch. 4 main levels you want to watch, man. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Yesterday's low, yesterday's high. One low, one high, another low, another high. Your pre-market low, pre-market high. You want to mark those levels. The high of yesterday and the low of yesterday. You want to mark those levels. Trust me. I take majority of my trades off of those levels. So these are my 4 levels right here. Don't worry about this purple level. This purple level is a weekly level. This is a whole different other ball game. This purple level is a weekly level. Damn, Amazon breaking out again. Look, while I'm sitting here talking, but I'm probably done trading for the day. But you got this green dotted line right here. And you got this red dotted line. So that's the pre-market low and the pre-market high. Why do you think green? Why do you think I have the pre-market high green, dotted green? Anybody in the comments, take a guess. Why do you think I have the pre-market high dotted the color green? Why would you think? And why would I have the bottom dotted the color red? Anybody, take a stab at it. But yeah, I'll let y'all answer that question. Okay, so the other 2 levels I want to have is my yesterday's low is that solid red line right there. That's my yesterday's low. Yesterday, Amazon closed right around 199, 200 level. That's the reason why I woke up and like, oh, 200 still holding. I'm waiting on Amazon. That's the reason why I woke up. But the high of yesterday was 206. So I marked 206. And all it is a regular horizontal line right here. See that? Horizontal line on TradingView. Horizontal line. That's all that is. Once you mark a horizontal line, you can edit it to whatever color you want. Mine is green. My highs are green, my lows are red. My highs are green, my lows are red. That's because if we break my pre-market high, I know I'm gonna be in calls. Red mean the stock is going down, the stock is losing money. I know I should be in puts if we breaking below here. You get what I'm saying? So you want to see those levels break every morning before you enter a trade. Reason why I got stopped out on QQQ because right here, hey, the market rallying too, because right here it broke the pre-market low, but I just got faked out. It's not gonna work all the time, but I should have known we had a weekly level sitting right here. You know what I'm saying? And we was oversold on the RSI right here. So the RSI, I don't use it every day, but I will use it sometimes. RSI it's just the relative strength index. I'll show y'all that indicator too. Why not? Here's my inputs. Here's my style, visibility. And the only thing you're watching on the RSI is the top and the bottom. So you know if, look at this stock right here. So this is how I got faked out on QQQ today. This is how I lost money on QQQ today. Stocks went down, broke my pre-market low and yesterday's low. Stocks went down, but over here on the RSI, relative strength index, is going to show you if the stock is oversold, meaning it's going to show you if we're about to reverse. That's what it's doing right here. You see that red down there? And if you go up, it'll be green. As soon as it touched that, you know it's probably about to be a reversal. So I should have looked at that. I kind of jumped the gun, didn't even look at that this morning, and I lost on it. But if I would have looked, I probably could have seen that. Probably would have never gotten that trade. But I use that sometimes too. But yeah, man, that's the only indicators I use. It's probably sound like a lot, but it's only like 7 or 8 of them. Yeah, I be hitting on trades, but damn, sometimes I be scared of the charts because I would get in before I pull back, shaking my head. So if you can explain that, oh yeah, okay, yeah, I explained that. Yeah, man, you're gonna have that. You're gonna have that every day. You're gonna have a little butterflies. Think about it, especially if you trade in real money. You trade in real money, but you got to get to a number where you know, hey, I'm okay with losing $500 today. You got to tell yourself that. Say, I'm okay with losing that today. You know what I mean? I'm okay with losing 500 today. Tell yourself that, so when you get into a trade and you're down 300, you're not having the bubble guts. You know what I mean? You're not scared. Just go ahead and tell yourself, this is what I'm risking to lose. You got to go ahead and put it in your head. That's just what you got to do. But all right, man, we took some decent trades today. Kind of broke even on the day, but I see some trends, some good ass trends starting right now. So we might have a rally the rest of the day. Netflix and Tesla just took off. Look at Netflix. This is what Netflix just did, right above the ORB. See, ORB. We waited on the pullback. Call you could have got in calls right there. You could have got that. Netflix probably going through 1,000, going to 1,000. Netflix moved from 976 all the way to 986. A $10 move on that one pullback. You know what I'm saying? It never pulled back again. So you could have just rolled that all the way up. But yeah, that's just a pullback. And if I take all this off, right, what do you see right here? You see an uptrend and you see pullbacks. So whoever said they wanted to understand what a pullback was, here you go. Here's a prime example right here. Prime example. We're on a 5-minute chart right now. This is my last example, man. I'm gonna get off of here in a minute. I got some stuff to do. But just that simple, huh? I was making ends when you said it Thursday or Friday. Said what? SNR futures. Oh, I don't know. Oh, but anyway. All right, so you see how we started right here. We opened up. This is Netflix today. This is today's chart. So I usually start on the 2-minute chart. So 2-minute chart, you probably wouldn't have seen nothing. Look at this. This is nothing. A lot of nothing. A lot of nothing. A lot of nothing. A lot of nothing. So we first seen a breakout. So that breakout right there is at 9:54. So I usually move to the 5-minute chart at 10 a.m. So I use the 2-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, and the 10-minute chart. I use the 2-minute chart the first 30 minutes. I use the 5-minute chart the first from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then if I'm still trading after 11 a.m., I'll be using the 10-minute chart. So right here on the 5-minute chart, we would have seen this breakout because I wouldn't have seen nothing on the 2-minute. Nothing happened in the 2-minute until 10 o'clock. So when I went to 10 o'clock, we would have been right here. So 10 a.m., I would have seen what? This candle right here. So we still probably wouldn't even seen the pullback. But we have the ORB. See that? So now we got the ORB to help us. You get what I'm saying? Now we're gonna use our indicators. I got the ORB right here, and I got the 9 EMA. You know what I'm saying? And I got the VWAP right here sitting up under. So I got all that in confluence, and the candles are sitting above these indicators. So soon as we broke the ORB right here, you could have got in right when it came back down to retest. You could have got in right down. Now that's an aggressive entry off the ORB. You kind of want to wait on a pullback, but it still works. You know what I'm saying? Still works. But all right, man. Enough of me running my mouth. Sean, he said, thank you for doing this. No problem. He said, can I show my execution screen? I'm from Orlando. You remind me of Boss Man D-Lo. Everybody be calling me that, man. I'm from Pensacola, though. I'm from Pensacola, Florida. You from Orlando down there? Yeah. I'm from Pensacola up North Florida. I'm from Florida, though. I ain't from damn, he said he just got 36% on Tesla. I'm probably talking. I could have caught that shit too. I seen it. Ew, Tesla taking off. I'll probably wait on the retest right here. If I do, oh shit, and it pulled back. Damn. I hate missing Tesla sometimes. Good shit, Johnny. Good shit, Johnny. But yeah, love and basketball. I don't know why I keep calling you love and basketball, but yeah, just screen time is gonna get you more confident. Don't be scared to look at these charts, y'all. I used to be the same way, man. I used to be scared to look at these damn charts. Now no more though. Shit, once you understand this shit, it's like no one can take this from you. You know what I mean? No one can take it from you. You always can get in the stock market and know how to make money for you and your fam. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Oh, I'm probably finna fuck with this spot right here. But yeah, man. I'm gonna call it a day, man. I'm about to get off. Y'all have a nice one. Good shit, Johnny. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday. We'll be back tomorrow trading, man. Trying to find the money. All right, it's your boy Clark, and I'm up out of here. Y'all have a good one.